So the DPD man is here and he's delivering my box. He's already doing it. It's so exciting. Ta-da! It's our Hello Fresh box. Thank you, delivery man. It's quite heavy, so gotta carry it. Ooh, 3 boxes for your friends. Nice. Put that aside. And we have creamy green veg and pesto pasta. That's number 18. We've got number 19 here. Welsh rarebit veggie pie with lentils and mushrooms. Put that there. Red lentil and spinach dal with roasted aubergine and basmati rice. Number 20, that sounds nice. Cheesy aubergine parmigiana with mini roasties and tender stem broccoli. I'm looking forward to this one. That looks delish. Number 23. And veggie pansy inspired noodles with mushrooms, lime and coriander. That looks very nice as well. Here's our box, and we've got bags of recipes here. Just going to quickly unpack the box because you can tell there's a lot in here. It's another bag of ingredients and green beans. Got they're all labelled, by the way, so you've got like the number for the recipe. We've got this heavy padded bag. We've got our fresh ingredients in this bag now, and I'm going to unpack this. Just going to dive in. Oh, they gave us a free bottle of Rubicon. Look at that! Oh, look at that! Amazing! We've got our ice packs, which are reusable. I'm going to put all of our fresh ingredients in this box. We've got some mushrooms there, bags of grated cheese, garlic clove, creme fraiche, another creme fraiche, a little mature cheddar cheese, another ice pack, petit pois, blanched peas, more cheese, that rhymes, fresh pesto and stir fry, and another garlic bulb. This is fully recyclable. We can throw this in our household recycling bin. Here is the contents of our box. Now I've got these handy boxes, and they fit just right into my fridge. They're not very big, as you can see. What I'm going to do now, this is what I did last time and it served me so well, and we're going to unpack the recipe bag. I've got number 17. We're going to unpack it into the box for easy storage and recipe cooking, and check the ingredients against what we have listed in the back of the recipe card. That's everything in the box with you. So we've got ingredients. Here are our sliced mushrooms. Okay, we've got sliced mushrooms, lemon, lime and onion, egg noodles. We've got ginger puree. Yep, ginger puree. Coleslaw mix. That's this. Coleslaw mix from the fresh box. Vegetable stock. Yeah, we've got a vegetable stock. Ketchup mayonnaise. 50 grams. Yeah, we got 2 of those. 225 of ketchup mayonnaise. and sriracha sauce. That's a super spicy sauce there. And some coriander. I'm going to use 2 garlic cloves there, throw it in the box. And what I'm going to do is, yep, that's everything. I'm going to fold the recipe card, put it in the box, and then put the box in the fridge. Just pop it in the fridge, like that, with its other box. Got another box. I'm going to do the same again with our recipe number 18. Creamy green veg and pesto pasta with roasted tomatoes. That's number 18. So give it bag number 18. Open her up into the box and check the recipe card. Right, so this one has green beans. There's our green beans. Baby plum tomatoes. There's that. 2 garlic cloves. Yeah, so we're going to put 2 garlic cloves in there. Rigatoni pasta. There's our rigatoni pasta. Vegetable stock paste, like so. Creme fraiche. 150 grams of creme fraiche. Grated hard Italian style cheese. Yeah, there's our grated Italian cheese. And fresh pesto, 50 grams of fresh pesto. Yep, we got our fresh pesto. And we need, yeah, that's it, everything. We've got everything for that recipe. So I'm going to fold this up, put it in the fridge. That's it. That's how I'm doing it. And I'll do it for every box. Pop that in there like that. See, we've got our recipe card at the front so we know what it is in the box. Pop it in the fridge like that with its other box. So I'm going to go ahead and unpack the rest of the bags into my little boxes and put them in the fridge. I'll come back to you when I'm done. Now, you don't have to do this, but it is just a very efficient, easy way that I've found. And there you have it, guys. My fridge is totally filled with HelloFresh food. All the meals ready to go. Until next time, guys, keep cooking.